Hey everybody, I'm Dave and I got a new OneWheel GTS. So this is the unboxing video. These are all the little goodies that I got on Black Friday. So you see some charger pouches, new foot pad, carbon fiber fender, some fangs for the front, and there's the OneWheel GTS. The future is rad, yes it is. So we got a hypercharger, regular home charger. Here's the stock OneWheel GTS, the way it came out of the box. Came with a treaded tire, which is super cool. And also came with a mag handle already installed, which is nice. So moving on, I'm going to put this on the front, little nose dive protection and carbon fiber fender, and I'm going to put a high kick foot pad on the back. I just think it gives me a little more control. These are the other charging bags, and here's what it looks like on the charger. It's got a pretty cool feature where it shows you the charging level, which is nice. Here's what it looks like with the blue bumpers installed. Now I installed one blue bumper on the back and the fangs on the front. And these are the rail guards that I'm going to put on. So just a quick tip, you always want to spray your board down with alcohol and microfiber prior to sticking them on. And pull it off the clear tape. These are really cool. It gives it more of a little bit of a shiny finish, which is nice. And gonna put the carbon fender on. You gotta remove that little inlay first. It comes off pretty easy. You can stick an air tag up in there if you want to keep track of your board in case it's ever lost. I recommend. And then there's what the carbon fiber fender looks like on it, which is pretty slick. Always looking for that. So here's me on the street testing her out. Man, she's fast. She's a lot faster than my XR Plus. A lot more power, a lot more torque. And being on one wheel is just really cool. You get to see a lot of sights and cover a lot more ground. Came across this parkour course next to this, we're on a peninsula. That's the lake, the ocean's on the other side of the highway. And the course looked pretty unique, so we decided to pull over and give her a try. So it's me and my partner. I gave up pretty quick, but she kept going right to the very end. So she's a trooper. She's got quite a good amount of balance there. So that's her on the OneWheel GTS trying it out. Man, this thing's so fast. I'm on a Pint X, and it's real hard to keep up with her when she slams that throttle out. So just gonna kind of cruise around the park a little bit, and that's where we came from. Is over that big bridge, and just gonna do some exploring. This is a Christmas light display. Not lit up right now during the day, but it will be here at dusk. So kind of cool to cruise through that thing. See a couple more decorations. These ramps up here go over the highway, take us over to the beach. So we're just gonna kind of cruise around here and then maybe go check the beach out. OneWheel GTS runs really good on all terrain. Here's me going down kind of a handicap ramp. See it. It's a really smooth ride. Hold the camera, it's not even bumpy. So it goes. It's just got a lot of power. So there's my partner down there waiting for me on the Pint X. We swapped back, and now we're going to take this ramp, go up over the top of the highway, and check out some sights. This thing climbs like a beast. There's just no stopping it. It's just really powerful. The torque in it allows you to go a lot more places than the XR Plus did. And it's just a lot of fun. So here we are up over the highway, riding one wheels. Gonna head on over the beach, but this will be the end of our video. Just wanted to kind of show you the unboxing of the OneWheel GTS in case you're thinking about getting it yourself. So, brings a lot of joy and happiness to our lives. Hope it does yours as well.